Most beginners overcomplicate the process of selling digital products on Etsy, but the truth is, some of the best-selling digital products are actually the easiest to create. I'm going to share with you 7 best-selling digital products on Etsy that are also super simple to create so that you can get these products quickly listed in your Etsy shop and start making some sales. First type of digital product that is super simple to create and also sells super well on Etsy are invitations. And so this is Everbee that I'm using that's letting me know the monthly sales. So I've typed in invitations and you can see bestseller, bestseller, popular now, bestseller. Like all of these are popular now or bestsellers. And this one's 12 sales a month, 33, 41. This one's very new. It's only been listed 1 month and it's already a best-selling product. These are super simple to create. You can just do this in Canva, which is one of the most beginner-friendly design softwares. And so if we go over to Canva and we just type in invitation and I put Canva template. So what you can do is look at these invitation templates just to get some ideas of the style that you're going for. And you can also, like if we click back over to Etsy, you can use these as inspiration to see what is selling. So you can see that people are liking this elegant birthday vibe. This one is 188 sales per month, which is crazy. But this one is a black theme with like bottles popping. You can just get some ideas of the types of invitations that are selling really well. Like this one's 328 sales per month, and it's like a kind of more glitzy type of birthday invitation. And so that way, whenever you do come over to Canva, and let's say if we just started with a blank invitation, so see it telling you some of these designs, showing you the designs, but I do not use these Canva template designs. I usually just create my own products either with a PLR template that I have purchased, or I will just create it from scratch. And so you can just kind of look like at the find a background. So here we go, background, and maybe like a beach, like if you did something like that as the back of your invitation. And so you would just play around with it, add some text on there. Here's how you add your text. You would just click see all. And so it really just depends on the vibe you're going for. But like if you were doing beach theme, like you would say, join us to celebrate. And then you would just put whatever you're celebrating. And so you see, you can make these like very quickly, and then you would just edit it. You would just add in, like date and the time, the location, all of that. That is how you can quickly make invitation. And I actually made one earlier. Let me go find it, like right here. I made this in like 20 minutes. So I made that in 20 minutes, and then I made this one like right after it. And so that's how simple it can be to make your invitations. And then what you can do here too is you can like copy this and change out the 5 for a 6. And so I would just go to elements and I would type in a 6, go to graphics, and then I would just see which graphics here that I like, and you would just pop it on over there. So like if you liked this really sparkly one, you can do that. Then you would just change it to Christy's 6th birthday. And so now you have 2 products. You have a 5-year-old birthday invitation, a 6-year-old birthday invitation. That's how you can fill up your shop with a lot of these invitations. You could do one Christy's 1st birthday, 2nd birthday, 3rd birthday, and just keep going. Each birthday, like each number would be its own product. So you could easily get like 15 of one type of invitation. And so that is the first thing. And let me just show you. So this one here, it's popular now. It gets about 328 sales per month. So if we go to analyze listing, so it's making about $1,300 a month just from this one listing. And so let's go over here. You can see this one. It's pretty popular. It gets about 184 sales a month. And so that is translating to about $2,200 for them. And so because this one's $7, so they're making about $2,200 a month. This is Everbee. It's just an estimate. It says they're getting about $2,200 a month just from this one invitation. So if you have an entire shop full of invitations and you've narrowed down like how to get best-selling products, then you can definitely make a lot of money. So if this one product is making $2,200, then Just think if you have, 15, 20, 100, you can make some really good money with invitations, and they're pretty quick to make. Digital product idea number 2 is going to be resume templates. Again, these are very beginner friendly. You can see they are selling very well. So popular now, all across the top, popular now, bestseller, popular now. And you can see here, this one is getting 272 sales per month, 277 sales per month, 67. So this one's selling twice a day, 138 sales per month. And so you can see here that they are doing pretty well. If we click on this one, it is a best-selling product. It's getting about 272 sales per month, which is translating to about $2,100 per month just from this one listing. Resume templates are very popular, and look how simple they are to make. Again, you can make this in Canva, but this is super simple to make. If you go over here to templates, and I'm on Canva now, and we just type in like resume template, see here all of these resume templates that they have, and they look very straightforward. So you can easily just make one of these, put in just some mock information, put in like a picture frame so they can insert their picture in there when they edit it, and keep it very simple. These are pretty quick to make, and see they're different. You can make like simple ones like this with no picture. You can add picture. You can do colored on the top. The entire page could be colored. And so there are so many different ways that you can add different types of resume templates into your shop. The third popular type of digital product would be checklists. In particular, like these cleaning schedules or cleaning checklists are doing super well. So you can see here, this one does about 777 sales per month. This one is doing 442 sales per month, 194 sales per month. We click on this one over here that's doing 777 sales per month. We can see that's translating to about $2,300 per month just from this one listing, which I'll take that. This listing is doing very well. And actually, look at this conversion rate is 1.62%, which is pretty low. If they could get that to 3%, they could double their sales. So if they could improve their listing photos and make this product sell even better, then they could double their income just from making their photos better. But if we look at this one, so this one's only 99 cents, but it gets over 400 sales per month. And so it makes, yeah, about $400. And that's just because their price is super low. They could definitely raise the price and it would still sell pretty well. So that is digital product idea number 3, would be these like cleaning checklists, cleaning bundles, cleaning schedules, things like that, templates. And you can easily just grab one of these already done as a PLR product or a done for you digital product. You can edit it and get it listed in your Etsy shop. The fourth type of digital product that is selling pretty well on Etsy are these editable scan to pay signs. And so you can see here, this whole top row here are bestsellers or popular now, and they are selling really well. So like this one's 195 sales per month. So if we click into that, and let's just see how much it's making. So this one's making about $200 per month. That's because it's only $1 because it's a sign. But if you are feeling, but look at this conversion rate. See that other one converted at 1%. This one is converting at 6%. A lot of the people that are coming here to look at this product end up buying it. And so that is great. This one, so they're all around $1. This one is $3 and it is getting 65 sales per month. Let's see, it's making about $390 just from this one digital product. They're including 3 sizes here, but this is simple to make. To even do this QR code, like a little mock-up QR code, is pretty simple. So if we go on, so I'm just going to click into this template here and just show you how to make this little QR code mock-up. So if we go over here to element and we just did QR code, and there you go, you can just grab one of these and put it in there. And so that is a super simple product to make. This is a digital product. See here, it says digital download. So this is super simple to make. It's just, this one's probably just one page. Let me see. Yeah, template 8 by 10, one Canva template. So this is just the product. And that's how simple it is to make. So these scan to pay templates are definitely great for beginners. You may not make like a ton, like thousands per month with this product, but a few hundred, $300 a month is still great. Digital product idea number 5 that's simple to make would be these business card templates. And you can see here that they have different styles. So this one is just a Canva template that's showing you can like drag and drop your image into Canva and then you can print them all out. Or you could do a template like this where the person can, add in their information and it's like an actual business card that you've created for them. All of them have over 100 sales right here. These popular now, they all have over 100 sales per month. And so if we look and see, these are less than $1, both of these, but this one is almost $3 and it's still getting over 100 sales per month. So you could definitely charge $3 for this product and make some good sales. We could see here, this one's making $1,600 per month off of this one product. There are different types of business card templates that you can create. So if we see here, like this one, this is pretty simple and it's getting 57 sales per month. So that's good. Here are some more down here that are pretty simple. 100 sales per month, 44 sales per month. And this one is $10. So this one is probably doing pretty well. Let me see how much it says it's making. So almost $400. This is probably hasn't been updated yet they might have changed their pricing. But yeah, so these are super simple to make. You can see there's all different types that you can make and you can edit them. Most of them are editable in Canva. So you would just send the person the Canva template link and then they would access their template and edit it to fit their needs. The sixth type of digital product that's pretty simple to create are printable games. And so you can see here, there's all types of different games you can create. So this is like team building or office games. These are birthday games. These are minute to win it games. You can see here 20 sales per month, 77, 28 sales per month. You have some kids activities. This one are like preschool educational type activities. There are so many different types. Here's like wedding stuff. This one is bingos and this is like an icebreaker game. So you can see here there are so many different types of games you can create and they're getting pretty decent sales, at least like typically over one sale per day, which is great. And so this one here, if we click over here, they are getting about 77 sales per month, which is translating to about $154 per month in revenue. But just think if you have multiple products, so that's why it's important to have multiple products in your Etsy shop, because if this one product is getting you $100 and then you add, 5 more products that are getting you $100, like they all start adding up, like $100 here for this product a month. Then you can have another product that's getting you $300 a month, another product that makes you $50 a month. Like it all adds up. So keep adding products to your Etsy shop. Even if you're like, oh, $100 a month, that's nothing. Like that's a lot of money for just like one product. And if just imagine if you have 100 of those, like it adds up, it starts adding up. So keep adding products into your shop. The seventh beginner-friendly digital product idea is going to be these website templates. And you can see here they have different types of templates. These are Acuity scheduling templates for hairstylists, but you can see they're doing very well. So this one is making at least a sale a day. This one is 143 sales per month, 78 sales per month, 182 sales per month. So like if we click on this one and we can just get an idea of how much they are making. So this one listing is making them $1,300 per month just from this one listing. If we go down here, so we can see like this one is $399 and they get about 55 sales. And this one is making so $878 a month. So almost $1,000 a month with this one. And so these can be made in Canva. See how it says Canva, editable in Canva. So you can, again, if we go over to Canva, we can just type in website template and then you can just see here that these are like the sizes of the website templates you can create. And I think I actually, let me see. Yeah. So here is an example of a website template. This is included with the sales sprint. That's my mentorship program. And I give my students in there templates that are selling well. So it's easier for them to make sales. And so this is one of the templates that they get that they can edit and list in their Etsy shop. And so you see how it looks just like a website. So this is one of the templates they get and they can edit this, list it in their Etsy shop and hopefully get it up here to these templates that are making, almost $1,000 a month. That's how simple it can be to make a website template. So we have all of these savings trackers. So we have this like resume template that they can get. They get access to, because resumes, that was one of the product ideas. Resume templates are super popular. So they get access to that. They get access to this funeral program because those are super popular right now. Whenever they get the sales sprint, right now there are 16 templates in there. They can just download them, edit them, and get them listed in their Etsy shop. And that way it's faster for them to make sales. So if you want access to those templates too, go ahead and join us in the sales sprint. The link is in the description if you want to join us and get access to these templates too. So that was the number 7, was website templates, which you can easily make in Canva. So selling digital products on Etsy does not have to be hard. It can be very simple. You can start with simple designs and work your way up to more complex designs if you want to, or the easier route is to start with a template, a PLR template, which is a done for you digital product that you can edit and list in your Etsy shop so that you can get products added quickly in there without creating everything from scratch. If you want access to the templates of popular products or best-selling products, make sure you join us in the sales sprint. The details are in the description for you if you want to join us in there and get access to those templates so that you don't have to create everything from scratch. And if you want to know how to edit these templates, so if you have some PLR templates already and you're wondering how to edit them, make sure you watch this video next where I walk you through some of the basic editing on Canva of these PLR templates, where I show you things like how to change the font, how to change the colors, how to get access to different elements and add different elements within the design. So if you are unsure of how to even edit the templates, then make sure you watch this video and I'll chat with you soon.